Hey guys, welcome back to Party of Seven. Today, guys, I am here with my chess pie recipe. It is the holiday season, guys, and I know you need this recipe. It is so good, it is not overly sweetened, and it is perfect to bring to any dinner party, guys. A lot of people are not even making chess pies these days, y'all. Like, get into it. That nice crunchy finish, that ooey gooey center. Yes, I am about to show you how to get down. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Okay, so I have my bowl and I already have my 1 stick of butter and I'm going in with my sugar, guys. I am going to be just mixing everything in as good as possible. Now, I will be honest, this is easier if you have a mixer, like a handheld mixer. It goes by a lot faster, but I didn't have one, so it is okay to just use a fork or whatever you have, a whisk, and just get everything blended in as good as you can possibly get it, okay? Now that that is mixed in as good as possible, we are going to go in with our eggs. I did mix up 4 eggs for this. I placed it into the bowl and I'm mixing everything until it's blended very well, nice and smooth and creamy, guys. I will have all the measurements and ingredients down below. Alright guys, for the next set of ingredients, we are going to be using evaporated milk, cornmeal flour, lemon juice, and vanilla. And I am going to show you the steps as far as placing everything in. Again, I will make sure that I have all of the ingredients listed down below with their measurements, guys. The measurements are super important when making this meal or this pie. So make sure you check the description box as well as the comments. I think I might just put it in the comments, guys, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to place in my milk, guys. I just did a little bit. I went over the line a little bit, so I tried to make sure that I didn't put too much, so you guys kind of see me pour it in very slowly, because like I said, measurement is important for this pie, guys. Now I think I'm gonna go straight into this is my flour. So I'm adding my flour to the mix. I'm not blending anything just yet, guys. I'm just adding whatever ingredients is left over to place in. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my cornmeal. Put that in there, place everything to the side, and then I'm getting my little utensils and stuff that I need. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and the reason why I'm putting salt in is because my butter is unsalted. So if you have unsalted butter, make sure that you do add your salt, but if you have salted butter, do not add any salt, okay? Listen to me on that one for sure. All right, so now I'm opening up my lemon juice and I'm going to go ahead and add my lemon juice in. You can use vinegar, white vinegar, if you feel like white vinegar is better. I love using the lemon juice, okay? It's just so much better. It like literally tastes so much better. Now I'm mixing everything in. I am literally going to mix this until I don't see any flour, any powders, or anything like that. So I'm going to just take my time mixing really well, make sure everything is nice and smooth. Again, if you don't have a handheld mixer, it's just going to take you a little bit of time to try to get everything nice and smooth. However, I will be honest, it's not going to be smooth like it would if you had a blender, because I'm using my hands, but it still comes together very well and it still tastes delicious. So do not be discouraged if you do not have a blender, okay? Y'all, we all don't got it like that. So now I'm adding in some vanilla and we're going to mix the vanilla in nice and good as well, guys. And that is what you guys see me doing here. Again, just in case you forgot, make sure you check out the description box as well as the comments to get like the measurements and stuff for this. Now we're going to go ahead and place this into our pie. I do have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. It's been preheating for the past 20 minutes. It's very important to do that. Once I place my pie in the oven, I'm going to leave it closed the entire time. I'm going to set my timer for 50 minutes. You can cook yours between 45 and 55 minutes. I find that 50 minutes is perfect for my pie. So just pretty much just choose it as you go. Like, you feel like you want it to be out in 40 minutes, 45 minutes, do what's best for you guys. So I'm putting it into the oven and setting my timer. And this is the finished look, guys. This is my pie cooked at 50 minutes. It looks so freaking yummy, guys, and it was delicious, delicious, delicious. It was cooling down still, and guys, when I tell you that everyone killed this pie, I can't believe I only made one. Like, everybody literally just killed the pie. Like, it stood no chance in this house. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys checking out my cooking videos. It's so much fun to make. Subscribe to the channel and let me know what else you guys would like to see me make in the near future, guys. Bye.